Hi everybody and happy spring! Today we're going to be planting peas. Now peas like to climb, so we're going to be building a trellis for them to grow on. The first thing you're going to need are your pea seeds, some bamboo stakes which we're going to use to build our trellis, a zip tie to secure the top of our trellis, some string or twine, scissors, lawn staples, and of course a plant label. Now to begin, you're going to want to soak your seeds for 8 to 12 hours, which is going to help them speed up sprouting. You can use a paper towel and you can fold them up and leave it overnight. Next, you're going to want to pick a nice sunny spot and level out the soil. Make sure there aren't any dirt clumps, and you're going to want to make sure that the surface of the soil is nice and flat. Now peas climb up using these tendrils, which they use to adhere to strings and bamboo. Begin by taking 4 pieces of bamboo and placing them about 1 foot apart in the shape of a square. You're going to gather the tops together and secure with a zip tie. Place the flat edge through the loop and pull tight. Now each string is cut to size a little bit bigger than the bamboo. You're going to tie one end to the top near the zip tie, and the other end you're going to tie to the lawn staple, which is going to secure it to the ground. You're going to place them about 2 inches apart. Don't forget, you're going to want to label with the name of the plant and your name and the date. Now the fun part, when you actually get to plant. Now you're going to make a hole about 1 inch deep, which is about 1 knuckle. You're going to plant your seeds about 2 inches apart, 1 at each string. The peas, when they sprout, are going to use these strings and the bamboo stakes to climb up. Now cover up the holes when you're done, and of course you're going to give it a good watering. Now you're going to see your peas pop up in about 7 to 14 days. And you'll be ready to harvest in about 60 to 70 days. Now peas are full of vitamin C, K, and fiber, meaning they're great for eye, brain, bone, and digestive health. I hope you enjoyed, and happy gardening.